Hi all, I wanted to follow up on my penny stocks video with a video just on how to trade sort of normal stocks, sort of the kind of day-to-day stocks that most people would be trading. Um, in the UK, there are a number of platforms to do this, but many cost a lot of money. So, for example, Lansdown Hargreaves was the platform that I was previously using. However, the £6 sort of cost to each trade really ate into my profit, so I really wanted to move away from that. Um, I actually moved initially towards Trading212. This is a sort of a platform that initially seemed to kind of be a Robinhood or WeBull type kind of copy, which we obviously don't have access to in the UK. Um, it was completely free, had some really cool features, sort of pies, which are like ETFs. You have a bit more control over and sort of can make yourself. So I really like Trading212. However, unfortunately, recently they've introduced a exchange rate fee, which obviously while not huge, to me indicated the start of a move towards sort of monetizing their platform. And I kind of wanted to get away from that sort of early before being tied in. So yeah, I spent a little bit of time having a look at what else was out there. And unfortunately, to be honest, I didn't really find a platform that gelled with me very well at all. For a while, I was sort of making the accounts for a bunch of them, which obviously sort of you're giving away a lot of your personal information stuff. I didn't really like that. I now have multiple stocks and sort of trading sort of accounts out there. So I thought I'd make a video on the one that I've settled with, just so you guys don't have to go through the effort of trying them out and putting your personal information out there. I can be the one that gets sort of hacked. But yeah, so I ended up moving towards Freetrade in the end. I found it to be a really sort of simple app. I like the fact that it's FCA regulated. I like the fact that it's free um, and that they have a really good stock list, especially sort of stocks from foreign countries, sort of America. I think in the UK, a lot of the stock advice that we get is sort of America focused, so being able to easily get access to the big stocks there is one of the things I was really looking for. Um, I might try and follow up with another video I actually show through the app, but honestly, I don't even think I need to. The app's incredibly easy to use. It's incredibly user friendly. You sort of just like with Trading212 or just like with Robinhood or Webull, you just sort of search for the um, stock ticker, um, put money down, and there you go. They do all the hard work in the background, so you don't have to even worry about how they sort of get the stocks. Um, yeah. Um, so just because I scrolled past it, this is also a fantastic sort of thing. So I'll throw my referral code in there. Um, Sort of don't feel inclined to use it. I got a stock worth £6, so I was glad that I was kind of glad that I used it. But I was obviously hoping to get an Apple share or Tesla share. So £6 isn't enough of an incentive for me to beg you guys to do it. But yeah, it will be appreciated if you guys do. Um, Again, pricing wise, absolutely free. You can see compared to sort of the bigger companies, it's much cheaper. Well, it's free, so you're not having your profits eaten up. There's obviously other sort of ways you can sort of use their platform. So you can have a ISA, stuff like this. I just have a general sort of trading account, and that's worked out really well for me. I think the reason it's worked out really well is because they seem to be really sort of on the ball about having the stocks that I care about. Um, and you can actually, before even signing up, you can actually see if the stock you're interested in is available. So, for example, Apple, um, yeah, they've sort of you can see right here that it's there. It's the same for sort of just about anything else that you'll probably be looking for. At least it was for me with the very mainstream stocks that I was hoping to invest in recently. Um, I did like their IPO calendar as well. I like that sort of you can kind of get a sense of sort of new kind of companies as they were coming up. GitLab's one I'm kind of personally sort of interested in, um, but that's just because I'm a tech nerd. Coinbase again, I think that's going to be fantastic. Deliveroo, I use Deliveroo enough that I should be excited about it, but it seems like a company that has weird fundamentals, so just not. I'd love to hear thoughts in the comments on what stocks you guys are going for. None of this is stock advice or sort of financial advice. I mean, you know, um, I'm just a cat, so there's no way that's possible. But yeah, anyway, quick video, but hopefully it's a useful video. Shout in the comments if there's anything else you guys want to see, or if you do want me to follow up with how you use the app, because I can hook up my phone and sort of do a tutorial. But yeah,